Hi friends, welcome to Unit 6, Week 1, Day 2. So today we will be doing some phonemic awareness. That's hearing the sounds. I'm going to say a word and we're going to break apart the sounds. So moose, oo, s, 3 sounds. School, s, k, ol, 4 sounds. Flu, f, ol, oo, 3 sounds. Broom, b, oo, 4 sounds. Group, g, oo, p, 4 sounds. Tooth, t, oo, f, 3 sounds. Prune, p, oo, 4 sounds. Grew, g, oo, 3 sounds. Bruise, b, oo, s, 4 sounds. Okay, friends, so we're going to review these. Once again, we know that ow says it can say ow or oo, and today it's going to say oo. So we're working with oo sounds. Okay, so I'll do some of them with you and then let you do some. Okay, so blend, soup. The word is soup. Remember, oo also says oo. Blend, room. The word is room. Oh, here's oo again. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Soon. Here's oo. It says oo. 3, 2, 1. Tools. Okay, now this one's a little tricky. This says oo, but this says This is R controlled. Whoops. Okay, so let's blend it together. Super. Super. Okay, we know oo says oo. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Okay. Roo. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Rude. Okay. EW says oo as well. 3, 2, 1. Drew. Okay, we know UE says oo. 3, 2, 1. Blue. Okay, let me move this over. So once again, we're looking at our spoon card today, and we are making the sound oo, but oo has many different ways that it can be spelled. So we have oo as in spoon. We have U as in truth. We have U blank E as in tube. We have EW as in grew. We have UE as in true. We have UI as in juice. And we have OU as in group. So I know that's a lot of different ways to spell it, but the more you read, the more you'll know which one to use in each spot, in each situation. Okay, let's blend. Blue. Word is blue. Word sound root. Root. Okay, next one. Fruit. Fruit. Blend. Ooze. The word is news. Okay, let's do some more. Oh, let me move this. Sorry. Let me scoot this over. Okay. Soup. The word is soup. Okay. Flu. The word is flu. Blend. Roof. The word is roof. Tune. The word is tune. Ooh. Hoop. The word is hoop. Drew. The word is drew. Sk. Ooh. Blend. Scoop. The word is scoop. Blend. Noon. The word is noon. So when it's 12 o'clock, it's noon. And most of us eat lunch at 12 or noon. Blend. Blend. Suit. So a suit is a new outfit. It's clothing. Or any suit. Blend. The word is true. Blend. Blend. Prune. sound grr, blend oo, grew. Okay, now we're going to play our game. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. That says oo. 3, 2, 1, moon. Change the to duh. Moo, duh. Change the duh. Change the to f. So this is going to be f, this one. Food. Change the duh to ul. Fool. Change the f to t. Tool. Change the, get rid of the ul. Cover it up. Two. Change the t to z. Zoo. Add the letter M at the end. Zoo. Change the z to room. Change the to t. Root. Change the add a f to the front of fruit. Change the fur to suit. Get rid of the T. Cover it up with your hand. It would be sue. Change the s to duh. Do. Change the duh to der. Drew. Change the der to gur. Grew. Add the letter P to the end. Grew. Nice job. Okay, friends. So once again, here's your spelling. You're going to do spelling on Spelling City. And practice those words because there will be a test at the end of this week. Okay, here we go. So once again, this says oo. 3, 2, 1. Grew. This says oo. 3, 2, 1. Truth. This says oo. 3, 2, 1. Spoon. This says oo. 3, 2, 1. Group. This says ooh. 3, 2, 1. True. Okay, let's read this sentence. This is ooh. Lucy, because we wouldn't say Lukey. Lucy jumped into her new pool. Okay, let's read a story. So this is ooh, and then we have ooh again. So this is rooster, rooster, and goose. This is rooster, that's goose. Okay, so here are some words we're going to see. Was, they, should, come, through, busy, answer, enough, eyes. Okay, here we go. So once again, we have ooh at the beginning and in the middle and ooh in the middle. Rooster and goose. Life at the farm was like a wild zoo. Rooster and goose felt that way. Felt that they should come up with a plan. Actually, I'm not sure that is. Things needed to run smoother. Ooh, smoother. Okay, so let's see what they're going to do to fix things. First, Rooster and Goose brought the animals through the big barn door. Rooster said, we know you are busy, but we need to make the farm better. We have an answer to fix up. We have an answer to fix it up. Then Goose stated, let's not bug each other. Let's join together. We can make it better. Okay, so let's see how they make it better. So Rooster and Horse went to check the crops. They set the roots are in the ground, roots in the scooped soil on top. So they're planting things. This was enough to make the crops grow. The chicks picked up the hay. Then Goose and Pig made the hay neat. The eyes of the animals were wide with joy. The farm looked so nice. That night, the animals sat under the bright moon. They were glad that they came together and did the job. The farm felt like such a nicer place. Rooster and Goose both said it is cool to be a team. Okay, so there are lots of oohs going on. No, not ooh, ooh, Cool. Team is not right. Sorry, guys. It's tricky for me too. It is cool to be a team. So EA is team, but we're not working on E. We're working on U. Moon, cool, roots, scooped, rooster, goose, looked. Okay, so let's talk about structural analysis. So some word parts added to the end of words are called suffixes. That means they go at the end. Say it, suffix. So we know full, so we have the word help. Here's the root. The root is going to stay help. So if we add full, it would be help full or full of help. Less means without. So think of a glass of water. If you have less, you don't have as much. Without. So if you're helpless, you're without help. Okay, let's go over a few more of these. So first of all, we have full, and we have ear. Fear, full means full of fear. Here's full again. Okay, here we go. Joy, full means full of joy. Now this time we have less as our suffix. This means less means without. So let's read this one. Tooth, less. That means without teeth. Here's less again. Our suffix is less. Use, less. It means it has no use, without use. Okay, we're going to skip those. Let's do our high frequency again. Answer. I will answer the phone. Brought. Sam brought his flute home from school. Busy. We had a busy day at school today. Door. Who opened the door? Enough. Do you have enough time to play this game? Eyes. My eyes are brown. Okay, so we're talking about pronouns again, and yesterday I kind of had to hurry because you only get 15 minutes on this, so sorry about that. So remember, pronouns are I, he, she, and it stands for one noun. So if I say I, I'm talking about one person. He, one person. She, one person. But if we say we and they, that's more than one. So we is more than one, and they is more than one. Okay. And you can stand for one or more. So let's look at this. So pronouns take the place of nouns. So we have Bruce and Ruth were born on the same day. Would we say they or she? Well, let's plug it in. They were born on the same day. Does that one make sense? Let's try she. She were born on the same day. There's more than one, so it would be they. Two or more is they. Okay, let's talk about this one. Bruce. Now, Bruce is a boy. Bruce wants to have a party. Let's plug in the words. Pronouns. I wants to have a party, or he wants to have a party. The correct pronoun would be he. Okay, Ruth, that's a girl. Ruth wants to go skating. Would we say they wants to go skating, or she wants to go skating? We would say she, because it's only one girl. Okay, last one for today. Luke and I think they should have a skating party. Would we say it think they should have a skating party, or we think they should have a skating party? We is our pronoun. That's two or more. Okay, friends, thanks for watching today. See you tomorrow.